Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, so today we are going to start with a new topic. I think multiplication is clear to you all, children?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes.
Multiplication of a decimal by another decimal. That was our topic before, isn't it? Okay. So now we start with division, and I have just explained how to do it. Division of a decimal by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Can anybody say what did I say that day or repeat? Yes, Steve, can you tell me what was the method I have explained? Or suppose 2.5 into divided by 10. 2.5 divided by 10. How will you do it?
Ma'am.
Yes, Steve. What was the method I have explained that day?
It's 0.25.
2.5 divided by 10. So what will be the answer?
And 0.25.
Correct. So because what did I say? The method is just to shift it. Shift the decimal place to the left. For multiplying, we shift to the right.
Right.
For division, we can just shift it to the left. How many places? Places equal to number of zeros.
So it can be 0.2
so answer will
by
be
5
0.25.
Point
You can 0.25.
Ma'am, we can also write as 0.25, right?
Yes, 0.25. Now listen, another one. 235.4, 235.4, 235.4 divided by 100. What is the answer?
Ma'am.
Atul Krishna?
Ma'am, can Ashwin say?
Atul Krishna? Atul Krishna, tell me. Divided by 100. So how many decimal places you have to move to the left?
Ma'am, 2.354.
So 100, no? So how many zeros? 2 zeros. So 1, 2. So the decimal place will be there. So 2.354 will be the answer. Okay. Now next one again. 1000. 235.4 divided by 1000. If it is, what will be the answer?
Ma'am.
Can Ashwin say?
Okay, Ashwin say.
Ma'am, 0.235.
Yes. So you've shifted, isn't it? Okay. Fidel, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am. 0.2354.
Okay. So that is we shift 1000, no? So 1, 2, 3 decimal points. So 1, 2, 3 decimal points. So decimal point will come here, isn't it? So 0.2354. You want, you put a 0 before. Okay. Understood how to divide with the divided decimal by 10, 100, 1000, etc. And another thing I'll tell you, if it is not enough, what to do? Like the decimal points, the decimal places given is not enough. That is the numbers given are not enough means. For example, 23.4 divided by 1000 if it comes. What will you do?
Ma'am, we will add 0.0234.
We have to add 0. How many places we need? That many zeros you have to attach the left side, isn't it?
Yes,
so how many? 1, 2, 3
multiplication we
decimal
added
places
0
give.
to the right
So
side.
1, 2, then 3 should come. There is nothing. So we
Ma'am,
put a 0 and
0.003.
then place the decimal point. Then place the decimal point. Clear?
Ma'am, we can also put the 0 before the decimal point.
This then comes like.
Okay.
So it will come like this.
0.0234.
3, 4. So see how many places? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Clear? Like that. Another example.
Ma'am, it's seen to the multiplication itself.
Yeah.
There we have to put 0
Multiplication,
to the
you
right.
have to shift to the right. Division, you have to shift to the left. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, that is it. That is the technique of doing the decimal calculation very fast if you don't have a calculator. Okay. Then 3. Suppose, okay. Division of a decimal by a whole number, we can see. This is clear, no? So I'll give you homework.
Yes.
So many problems are there in your text. I'll give you
Ma'am, that
exercise.
second,
Homework.
third, fourth, right?
Yeah. I'll give you. So many problems are there. Do it at home. Because if you do it here, it will take the full day. Okay. So sit and do it at home. Okay. Same type numbers given. Divide by 10 first, one set of problems. Division by 100, another set of problems. Division by 1000, another set of problems. Same thing. Okay. If any doubt is there, we can clear in the next class.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
I have
The
explained
homework
once
page
previously.
number can you
So
say?
I'll give you 1 minute.
Homework page number.
Homework
Page
textbook
number 55.
Ma'am, exercise 2.7.
Yes. 2.7.
Exercise 2.7. Second question. Second question you see.
4.8
Second
divided by
question.
10.
7 questions are there. Division by 10.
Ma'am,
Yes,
or we
ma'am.
can do it home itself because
Yes,
we
yes.
are
Then,
dividing with 10.
Yes. Write it in a paper. Okay. Then next one.
Ma'am, in
Third
our
one.
notebook, right?
Okay, no problem. Third one. Third one also division by 100 it is.
Yes, ma'am.
That you can do. Then fourth one, division by 1000.
Yes,
that also you can do it very easily. Okay.
We can just
Fourth
put
one.
the.
So
we have to only
understood
change
how
the
to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Simply
Yes,
shift
ma'am.
the decimal
Just,
point to the left. If
ma'am,
the
in
places are not
multiplication-
enough, put 0 to the left side. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in multiplication, it is to the right side. And for
Multiplication,
the
it is to
division,
the
left
right.
side.
Yes. Multiplication.
Ma'am, the same
we have-
problem.
Yes, same thing. Okay. So if it is division, move the decimal places to the left. If it is multiplication, move the decimal places to the right. If the positions are not enough or the numbers are not enough, add zeros to the left for division and towards the right for the multiplication. That's all. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
You do it, then only you will come up with doubts. If it is there, it is very easy. Okay. Now, next one we can see. Shall we pass on to the next topic, children?
Sure, ma'am.
That is division of a decimal by another by a whole number first. We'll do division of a decimal by a whole number. So, homework you see, exercise 2.7, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Second question, third question, fourth question. Second question, division by 10. Third one, division by 100. Fourth one, division by 1000. Do it today itself. Okay? Don't keep it for tomorrow. Understood? Day after tomorrow, you'll be having your period. But still, you do it today itself. Otherwise, you will not feel any interest in doing it. Okay. So, next one. Write the heading, division of a decimal. Division of a decimal by a whole number. Division of a decimal by a whole number. $35.7 divided by 3. Okay. This is the question. Look at this, children. Don't write now. Put your pen down and listen. Okay. What is the method? I'll give you the notes. Don't worry. But still, you should understand what is the method. Method is this. Simply divide the numbers like whole numbers. As we did multiplication of a decimal by a decimal, what did we do? Simply we multiplied them like whole numbers, isn't it? Then we decided the decimal point. Same way, do the division as usual, like a whole number. Find the quotient. That means find the answer. And just check how many, here in this question, only the dividend have the decimal point, isn't it? Only the dividend have the decimal point. So check how many decimal points are there. Same decimal points should come in the answer also. That is the quotient.
Ma'am, how many decimal places?
Decimal place means what? How many digits after decimal point? Here only one.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you told how many decimal points are there?
No, decimal places. Okay. How many decimal places are there in the question? Same decimal places should come in the answer also. That is the quotient also. Clear? Okay, so shall we?
Clear,
I will
ma'am.
do this. Oh, I will do this. Listen to me. 35.7. I am going to divide this as 357 divided by 3. Okay. 3 ones are 3. Balance 5. Again 3 ones are 3. Balance 2. 7. Bring it down. 3. 9 times 27. Now 0 I got. So what is the quotient? 119. Isn't it? Quotient. After getting the quotient, you check how many digits are there after the decimal point. That means what? How many decimal places? How many digits are there after the decimal point in the question?
Ma'am,
One.
there is one.
1. So in the answer also, that is in the quotient also, 1 decimal place should come. So where I should put the point here? Isn't it?
11.9.
So in the answer also, same number of decimal places should come. That is the rule.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
is the trick.
Just,
Okay,
ma'am,
rule.
we want
Yeah.
to find the answer and just put the decimal at
Just
the
put
question.
the, yeah, that's all. That's all. Decimal place, counting the number of decimal place in the question. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am, if there is any reminder and all.
the remainder and all, such questions we cannot, you can write the remainder also should be divided. Okay, by putting decimal division, that is putting the decimal point, we can add zeros to the right. Decimal division you have studied, no?
Yes, ma'am. We have
Lower
Yes, ma'am.
classes, how to divide, this topic is covered already. We see, suppose 37 something divided by 35. What you will do? By 5. Okay.
We'll add a zero and instead we'll put the
37 divided by 2. Sorry, by 5 we can see. 37 divided by 5. What you will do?
Ma'am, first we'll divide
7. 5 sevens are 35. Isn't it? Balance
Then
how
two.
much? 20. 2. Put decimal point. Isn't it? Huh? So we have 20 here. 5 fours are 20.
7.4.
7.4 as answer. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
As we are dividing a decimal number, we.
Ma'am, so there we will get 7.4 direct answer, right? Decimal.
Yeah, direct answer. But in this question, as you are dividing a decimal by a whole number, yeah, that we can discuss later after studying this. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Mm.
Ma'am, in the question there is 3 digits. If there is no 3 digits in the answer, what we will do to put the decimal place?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, there is 3 digits in the question. What if we did not get the quotient 3 digits where we will
put the decimal point? That's what I told you, no, 0.037, like that. We have to put the decimal points accordingly, the zeros accordingly, and do it. We will see. Okay, when such problem comes, I'll explain to you. Clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
When so we come across such problems, we can do it. Now, first understand what is the basic idea. After that, we can go to complicated problems. Okay, when it comes. So first, what we are doing, first one is dividing a decimal by a whole number. Okay, dividing a decimal by a
0.4 divided by 2.
Whole number. Okay, so what we have to do? Divide simply like a whole number and get the answer. Then what we have to do? Check the number of decimal places. Yeah, then place the decimal point accordingly. Okay, we'll see the next question then. See the next question. We can see it is 25.5. I think your doubt will be cleared by this question, children. 25.5 divided by 3. Okay, find out the answer. 255 divided by 3. What is the answer? I think the doubt which he asked will be this one.
Ma'am, we got the answer. 8.3.
What is the answer?
8.3.
what is the answer you get? 255 divided by?
Ma'am, we'll get 83.
Is it 83?
0.5.
Yes, ma'am. We will get 85.
0.5.
We will get 85.
No?
85.
85.
85. So see, the number of digits is less. Who asked me the
Yes.
doubt? Ashwan?
Yes, ma'am.
See,
Ma'am, it
we
will
got,
be zero.
we got the
Ma'am,
number
if it
less
is
than.
then
Ma'am,
we will put a 0, right?
Ma'am, 0.085.
No. See, check.
Ma'am,
That's why I told how many digits are there after
Ma'am,
the decimal
8.5.
point. How many digits after decimal
Ma'am,
point?
8.5.
Ma'am,
1. So in the answer also,
Ma'am, if it is 3, then
same
we will
decimal
put 0.085, right? 0 we will add after
Why?
the decimal point. If it
Why
is
to
more
add
than
like
3,
that? That if you no need to add 8.5, if it is there, let it be like that.
No, ma'am. If I am asking if in that case we have to add a 0 after the point, right?
If it is not enough, that if it comes like that, we can see. If in the question, if it was in the question like 0.255, if it was, we have to, suppose we can do that 0.255 divided by 3 if it is, what will you do? Is that your question? Children?
Ma'am, 0.08.
Yeah. So when you divide, actually you will get 85, isn't it? Now, how many
Yes, ma'am.
decimal points in the question? Decimal places in the question? 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, 3.
decimal places. But we have here only 2.
Ma'am, 0.085.
Ma'am, so we will put 1 0.
will come.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Ma'am, because we want after point we want 3 digits.
That
So
is
that's
it.
why we add a
3
zero.
places. After decimal point, we want the 3 decimal places, isn't it? So we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to
So-
add a 0 to the left. Understood now? Clear
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
Clear, ma'am. Clear.
That was your doubt, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So that is how we do it. Now another question we can see. 43.15 divided by 5. Find out.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, Ananya. Ameya, tell me.
Ma'am, 8.63.
Ameya, what is the answer?
63.
8.63, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
8.63.
Ameya, what is the answer you get?
Ma'am, she got 8.63.
8.63.
Ma'am, I also got 8.6.
Okay, let us check
too,
whether
ma'am.
the answer is correct or not. Okay, we can see whether the answer
Ma'am,
is
yes,
correct.
ma'am, it is
Ma'am, it
8.65.
is.
Because when you divide 4315 divided by 5.
5. Ma'am, we
5
have
ones are
first
40.
40.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
8 for
3,
3. Then 6 for
31,
30.
5, 6,
Ma'am, 6.
30.
Then 5 for
Balance
50.
Ma'am, then 1
5,
5. 3.
3. Okay, 15. So we got 863, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
And
where,
we want,
how many decimal places? 1,
2
ma'am, we
decimal
want
places.
1, 2.
So, 1,
So
2.
it will
Correct.
be after the decimal point, there one should be 2 digits. So it will be 8.63.
8.63. Correct.
65.
8.63 is the correct answer. Isn't it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we can see another number. Next one, 126.35. 126.35 divided by 7. All of you do. Don't shout the answer. I'll call the person who have to answer. 126.35 divided by 7. All of you should do the problem. See children, in the question paper, if the question comes like this, all the steps should be written. Clear? Your multiplication, how are you going multiplying? How are you dividing? In this case, it is division. You have to show the division in the answer sheet. Okay, this is to avoid using calculator. You are not allowed to use calculator. You have to show the actual division in the paper and the decimal point, everything. Okay. Yes, Ashram.
Ma'am, got the answer.
Yes, good.
1.85.
Okay, I'll call. Don't shout the answer. I'll call you. 1 minute. I'll call. Okay. Yes, Ashram Krishna. Abhiday George, can you tell me the answer?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
You're doing. Balashankar got the
Ma'am,
answer.
can I answer?
Ma'am.
Sri Lakshmi?
18.05.
18.05. Okay, let us check whether the answer is correct. Hiba, did you get the answer? Hiba Fatima?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the answer?
Ma'am, I am doing.
Doing only. Okay. Who is this person? Ananda Krishnan. Ananda Krishnan, did you get the answer?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ananda Krishnan got the answer?
Ma'am, Ananda Krishnan is doing.
Ashish Unni? What is the answer?
Ma'am, 1.85.
Your answer is
85.
Ma'am,
1.85 is your answer. Another answer was?
Ma'am, 18.05.
Okay,
Yes.
then anybody else got the answer?
Ma'am, I got it.
Ma'am, Ashram got the answer.
0.8. Ashram, what is the answer?
Ma'am, not Ashram, Francis. Ma'am,
Okay, Francis Richard, what is the answer?
0.85.
0.85. That is your answer. Okay, then next one.
Ma'am, Ashram has given in the chat 18.5.
18.5. Okay. Then
0.0185.
0.0185. 0.0185. That is whose answer? Okay, anyway, we got this much answers. We can check what is the correct answer, children. We got all these answers,
Yes.
but I think it is not clear to you.
No, ma'am.
Some of them,
It's clear.
it is not clear. Children, just see what is the answer. Okay, all of you listen. Those who, many of them have gone wrong now. Listen carefully. 1, 2, 6, 3, 5. This is the number divided
Yes.
by 7. Okay, 7. 7, how many times in 12? 1 time.
Ma'am, one time.
7 times, then 7 plus how
Ma'am,
much is
it's
12?
5.
Ma'am,
5.
5. Bring it down,
Then
56.
Ma'am,
7,
8.
8.
Ma'am,
8 times in
56.
56.
56.
Then 3.
Ma'am, then
mm,
ma'am,
35.
3 will not go.
Bring down
So,
3.
35.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Three will not go.
alone will
Bring
not,
down
it
the
will
five.
not go.
And
So,
will not.
5 will
Yeah,
come
it
down.
is not going. So 0. Then
Yes,
5 you
then
bring
5.
down.
7 into 5,
Okay.
35.
So 5 times.
5 times.
35.
35.
0. So 805 you got. 1805 you got as a number, answer, quotient. Okay. Now we have to place the decimal point. How will you place the decimal point? Check how many decimal places are there.
Ma'am,
2 decimal places. So here we will put the decimal. This is the correct answer. That's all. Then how are you getting so many zeros and 1 and all?
Ma'am, so the answer is 3.
Maybe their division was wrong, ma'am.
See, the division got confusion here because
Yes, ma'am,
7.
because there was a zero.
Listen carefully. 7 ones are 7. Balance 5. Now you bring down 6. 6. So 56. Okay. Now 8 times 56 I wrote. Balance.
Ma'am, there they did
Zero.
not write 0.
Listen, not that. 0. Okay. Now bring down 3. We brought down 3. This number is not divisible by 7. So put 0. Okay, there is a step there. We are forgetting that. Here, actually, what we are doing is, here we brought down 3, no? It is not divisible by 7. So 7 zeros are 0. Then subtract 3. Then bring down 5. This is the step there. We usually skip that step. That is the problem. Understand? When doing division, you do this also. Otherwise, you will forget. Because this 3 which we brought down, that number is not divisible by 7. So put 0. Okay. 7 into 0, 0. Then you will get balance 3. Then bring 5 down. So 35. 7 5s are 35. Then subtract 0. This is the step coming. Division is wrong. Your answer also will go wrong. Understood? If that number which you bring down is not divisible, then put a 0 on the top. What is the meaning? 7 into 0, 0. Subtract. Then only you can bring down the next number. Understood? Don't make that mistake again. Okay. We'll see. When we do many problems only, such types of errors can be corrected. Okay. Next one. This one is easy. 15.5 divided by 5. Easy one.
I'm got the answer.
What is the
I'm
answer?
completed.
Anybody can answer it?
3.
Ma'am, 3.5.
3.1. 3.1. Isn't it? 155 divided by 5. 5
3.1,
3s are 15. Then 5.
5.
Then 5 how many times? 1 time.
Ma'am, 1.
So 31 you will get decimal point 1.
1. So
Okay.
in the
So
middle.
children, is this clear to you?
It's very clear, ma'am. Very, very clear.
All of you? Okay. I hope this is clear. Now we can do another one. That is, another topic is
Ma'am, decimal.
division of a decimal by another decimal. It is a part of this division of a, that also if I finish, all the topics of this lessons are over. Then only problems remain. That you do as homework. Then we can discuss it in the next period. Division of a decimal by another decimal. One problem only I can do because time is up. Till 2:20 I have time, no? Okay, so let us try that. One problem from that. Children, it is one problem. 42.8. 42.8 divided by 0.02. This is the question. Okay, now look at this. What you have to do, I'll tell you. First step is remove the decimal points in the denominator. First step is remove the decimal points in the denominator. Okay, then it will become a whole number, isn't it? If you remove the decimal points, it will become a whole number. Then, as we did before, you can do the division, isn't it? We know how to divide a decimal by a whole number, no? Just now we studied. So what we have to do, our aim is to make it a whole number. What? Denominator. Okay. First step is to make the denominator a whole number. Okay. That is what we have to do. Then we can proceed as before.
Ma'am, so we have to...
So listen. There are steps for that. How to make it a whole number? Simply you cannot make it a whole number. No, the meaning should not be changed. 42.8 divided by question was 0.02, isn't it? 0.02. Now, what I will do is, listen carefully. What I am going to do is, how many decimal points are there here? 1, 2, isn't it? 2. Denominator. Check only the denominator, not the numerator. We want to change the denominator into a whole number. So, check the decimal places in the denominator only. Okay. So, denominators, decimal places, we will check. Anna, listen here. It's very, very important. Otherwise, you will go wrong. So, check the decimal places in the denominator. 2 decimal places. So, multiply with 100, which carries 2 zeros. Okay. If you are multiplying the denominator with 100, multiply the numerator also with the 100 itself. Otherwise, the numbers will change, isn't it? Value will change. If you are multiplying with a denominator with a number, with the same number, you have to multiply the denominator, numerator also. Otherwise, the whole value will change. Why we are multiplying by 100? Because we have to change how many places? 2 decimal places. So, with 100. If you want to change 3 decimal places, with what number you should multiply?
1000.
If you want to change 4 decimal places, with what number you will multiply?
10,000.
10,000. If you want to change only 1 decimal place, with what number you will multiply?
10.
With the 10. Understood? Like that, we will change this number to, if you multiply this with 100, what is the result? 4, 2, 8, then 0. Then divided by this one, you multiply by 100.
Only 1 0. Why we are not adding 2 zeros?
For 1 decimal place, it is jumping front. So 1 0 gone. Then remaining only 1 0.
Oh.
Decimal multiplication you forgot. Then this one, how
we can write 4280.0.
Isn't it? So 2.0 or 2.
Ma'am, why we are choosing 100?
Because we have to change 2 decimal places.
Ma'am, we are always checking the denominator.
Denominator only, because we are converting the denominator only. We are only converting the denominator. Make it a whole number. Then we can do the division as before. So that we have studied how to divide a decimal by a whole number. We know that. Okay, only denominator you have to check. And accordingly we move. So 0.02 multiplied by 100, what will you get? 1, 2. Isn't it? So 2 you will get, or 2.0. To divide.
Ma'am, in the first one, can we write 4280.0?
4280.0, no problem. Correct. This is also 2.0, no problem. Now, it is not needed because we are going to divide it, no? So, we write actually the number is enough. Okay, 4280, isn't it? That was the number by 2. So, what is the answer you get? Simply divide 4280 divided by 2. 2s are 4. 2 ones are 2. Then 8. 2 4s are 8.
Then
Isn't it? Then 0. 0 also is there. 2 1 4 0. That is the answer. So answer will be 2140.
Ma'am, is this 60?
No. Sorry, it's time for their class, children. So shall I wind up? I'll explain again if you didn't understand.
Yes,
so, but do the problems, okay, till this question. So 1, 2, that is also homework. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4 I gave before. Now 1 also you can do. Division by a whole number it is.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. This one I'll explain again. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Because I think some of you it is not clear. Is it? One more period. I won't get any more period. So next day I will explain this again. Then I'll give homework based on this. Okay. Then another one, the other numbers, it is clear to you. No? Division by whole number is clear to you, right?
It's clear, ma'am.
Okay. So thank you all. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.